Welcome. In front of me, I have the JBL Quantum 950 wireless headset, and I will be going over unboxing along with a quick look at, well, the headset itself. Okay, so some of the information is right here on the box. We have some BS slogan like "Sound is survival," whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. USB audio, that's pretty cool. 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity, Bluetooth as well, high res, base station, and that's probably everything that we need to know. Now, I'm not sure if this is new, considering this kind of was already undone. I guess we'll see in a second. Anyway, popping it open. I have some paperwork right here. Okay, so that's a warranty card. Now opening it up, comes in a nice little case. And there we go, just kind of rip it out. We also have cables that are, well, in these very vibrant colors. I'm not sure how much I vibe with that. And we have, what the hell are these, earplugs? What the huh? I'm confused. What in the hell is this for? Now the other cable is type C to type C. Now this, I freaking have no clue what this is for, to be honest. Maybe I'm just too poor to figure this out. Anyway, okay, so that looked like it was ripped off. We have some paperwork, no one cares about that, and there's actually more in here. So we have a microphone. So there we go, there's our mic. It's one of those adjustable ones. And we have pop filter for that mic. Okay, I'm not even going to bother putting that on. And our two batteries. So let me just drop that back in here. Throw that to the ground. Grab this. Okay, that's a nice looking little hub. Oh, that's a nice little clip there. Damn, I do have to say this seems to be pretty well made. I have no idea what the price point of this is, but it feels pretty damn good. Now, battery wise, we have a little charging dock for it at the back of it. Here we go. Now let's plug that in. So it's a type C, so I don't even need to grab the normal cable. And taking these out. Oh boy, yeah, these look pretty damn nice, I'm not gonna lie. Though they are freakishly big. At least for my head. These seem just to be just a tad bit too big. Now let's put our battery in here. So this is also magnetic. Now I am hoping that this battery, at least one of them, is charged. Let's see. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that's interesting. I literally instantly on my PC, when I plug the battery in, I got a pop-up for JBL Quantum. Congratulations with your new JBL Quantum device. To unlock all its features and experience its immersive sound, please download and install JBL Quantum Engine app using the button below or via Bluetooth Quantum website, which it provides there, and gives me the button to download the JBL Quantum Engine or to exit it. Now, I am pretty sure, close this up, I should be just able to use it without the app. Let's quickly check. Was it showing up? Yep, it does. I can just change it and I'm good to go. Now this, as you can see, it's magnetic, holds pretty well. This is also removable, but it doesn't have anything here. There is, though, as you can see, the port for our mic, which I put back in the box. Let's quickly check the comfort of these. So this is, oh, there we go, there's the right one. Oh, wow. Okay, they do feel pretty damn nice. Wow, the comfort-wise, pretty good, but I do want to give you heads up. Seal is fantastic, comfort fantastic, but for like, I would say they have weight to it. There's metal components, like this is metal right here. So yeah, there's a couple metal parts. They are built super well, like a freaking tank by the feel of it, but because of that, there is hefty weight to it, which you will probably feel while gaming extensively in them. So something to note. In terms of controls, we have volume up, down. We have some, I don't know why there's a game controller and shot feature. Guess you can probably adjust the volume for these. We have mic on, off. The power on, off, which was already enabled for some reason. And I have no clue what this is for, with a weird kind of like Atom logo almost. And yeah, I have no idea what this logo is either. So yeah, pretty nice pair. Now I should probably maybe test out some kind of sound, see how they play. Don't have, oh, no, I do have music. I actually have FLAC music on here. Bear with me, I'm gonna just find it. So let's quickly check it out. Now this is just going to be kind of like my opinion of it, so let's check it out. Hopefully I'm not gonna go deaf from it. Is it on? Okay, I'm trying to figure out how the hell do I connect it to the freaking thing. Uh-huh. Ooh. Okay, so this is controlling already the volume, which is pretty nice. So, by the way, I didn't really talk about this, but this is a really nice feeling dial. The sound is also pretty nice. And how the hell do I connect it? Probably would have been beneficial to read the freaking instructions. Oh, that seems to do freaking nothing. What does this do? Oh, whoa! Okay, that I could hear from here. Holy shit. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, quick overview. Bass. Ooh, super nice. Punchy. Sound-wise, it's pretty good. It's not as super clear. So this is obviously not going to be a flat profile. I mean, it's JBL, so I probably never expected that. But for what I like personally in terms of sound, this is actually doing pretty good the job to represent that. I genuinely dislike headphones which have this like very neutral tone. So this, for music-wise, freaking fantastic. In terms of like action games, if you're planning to use this with your computer, which obviously it's kind of designed for it, this should also be good. The explosion should really like be very punchy because of the bass right here. So in general, I have to say, sound-wise, it's pretty damn nice, and comfort-wise also, it's pretty good pair. One more thing, which might not be as apparent, sound isolation. This sounds almost like it's noise canceling. I don't think this has noise cancellation, but the way it's sitting and how well it's sealing, it might as well be. So generally, really nice pair. Now I probably don't want to know the cost of this, considering it's JBL. Sounds pretty damn good, and in terms of quality, it feels like a premium product. So I can only expect that the price is, and honestly, I feel like it would be justified, considering my first impression with this is super nice. So in any case, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hmm?